Oh, hey, hello there. It's been a while since we last talked. I mean, we only talk time to time. Periodically, if you will. Well, are you comfy? You got a nice cold drink? A nice snack? Great. Then without further ado, hydrogen. Hydrogen was formally discovered in 1766, although its existence was known about 100 years prior. It's the lightest element with an atomic weight of 1.0080. It has a single proton with a single electron orbiting it. Being as it is the first element, it's about as basic as it can be. Like if all the elements were together hanging out, hydrogen would be on their phone, showing you their Pinterest and drinking Starbucks. However, that simplicity is one of hydrogen's greatest strengths. It has an electronegativity of 2.1, so bonding is fairly simple. You see, hydrogen is actually Greek for water maker, and when it finds its buddy oxygen, they form the most iconic duo of all time. That's right, H2O. That means your rivers, your lakes, your slushies, your ice cubes, the entire ocean. It has hydrogen, baby. It's full of the stuff. As a side note, hydrogen tends to bond with carbon a lot too, so that means your animal life, your vegetation, it's got hydrogen in it too. This stuff covers the entire planet. But even outside our planet, the stuff is everywhere. It's the most abundant element in the universe. Now let's talk about hydrogen's states of matter. Realistically speaking, you're only going to see hydrogen as a gas. Yes, it's possible for it to be a solid. Yes, it's possible for it to be a liquid, but it's so unlikely that you'll ever see it, especially occurring naturally. Hydrogen has a melting point of negative 259.20 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, 0 Celsius is the freezing point of water. That means that water will freeze over 2 times, and hydrogen will say, yo bro, this is too hot, turn the AC down. But here's the real kicker. Even if hydrogen is in its gaseous state, you still can't see it. You're not seeing it right now. It's transparent in visible light, infrared light, ultraviolet light, at any wavelength below 1800 angstroms. And to put that into perspective, an angstrom is 1 millionth of a centimeter. It's insane. And then to top it off, it has the highest velocity of any gas and it diffuses the fastest as well. So if you were able to see it, you'd have to strain your eyes as it zoomed past your head and then hunt it down before it disappeared into the aether. But what exactly does hydrogen even do? I mean, it's everywhere, but what is it used for? Is it practical, besides being water and making up life? Yeah, the main application of hydrogen is its use in creating ammonia, and ammonia is used for fertilizer, cleaning products, purifying materials like plastic. It's also used for purifying metals. Very, very helpful stuff. Next, it's used for making fats and oils. We're talking margarine, we're talking peanut oil, and vegetable shortening. So next time you cook up a tasty meal, remember there's hydrogen in that bad boy, and it's pretty good. Lastly, we got rocket fuel. It's great for making that stuff apparently. I don't work for NASA, I don't know the details, but hydrogen, super good for launching rockets in the air. So if you're out there, you're a novice rocket builder, get that hydrogen, my dude. With that all being said, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and hopefully I can see you later for another periodic talk.